Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Vivo V17 Pro and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Let's tap on Show Your Data right here in the first section, and as you can see we will be transferred to the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. You can see that I've been using it for about 10 minutes. Most of the time I've spent on the settings. We've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. Of course we can check some further details and we've got two different ways to do that. We can tap inside this graph just like that, and your device will show you the dashboard which is connected with kind of the full screen timeout in each day. Under it you've got the apps listed, so the apps on which you've spent the time. You can also change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and the second way to check the time is mostly connected with the apps, because you can tap for example on the settings or the camera, and again you will have the dashboard, but this time it will be tightly connected with this one app, so you can always check how much time you're spending on one app. The same situation with the screen time, you can change it to the notifications and the times opened, and from daily to hourly. So basically that will be all if it comes to checking the time of the screen. However, just a quick disclaimer about the ways to disconnect, because if you feel that you need the time for yourself, you don't want to be disturbed, you want to rest, you want to work, whatever, you can set for example the focus mode or the bedtime mode. So here you can select some kind of distracting apps, just like a social media for example. You can mark them and then you can set a schedule, so pick particular days and particular hours, so for example during when you're at work, and then your device will simply limit the notifications from those apps so you will not be distracted. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.